Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by the Luwizart. I'm your host Emmanuel Okafo, and today we'll be doing like a very unique video from what we usually do in this channel. So basically I'm going to be reviewing a movie, and it's quite a mouthful. So the name is called Lady Bucket and Mopley Mobsters. So it's a mouthful. So as a very productive artist, I was scrolling on Twitter and then I came across it. So I was quite um, excited about it because it's kind of the very first full-length Nigerian animated movie. So I was really interested to see how it looks. And so this is like my live reaction to it. So I wanted to kind of watch it and kind of share my thought on this particular animation. I have been working as a 3D artist professionally for about 10 years now. So kind of have like one or two ideas on basically what you should expect from a full-length movie. And I also checked the budget, which is so we have it here, and it's about $1 million. I mean, it's compared to like Hollywood animation movies, quite little, but like based on the industry, Nigeria, and kind of the money exchange rate is quite high. So I think it's coming close to 500 million naira. So it's quite a big stuff. So we'll kind of be seeing it, watching it together. Let's see if the quality kind of matches that, and we'll just talk about like the future, or what I think will be the future of Nigerian industry and how we can get young stuff like that. So let's get started.
Would What if wishes could come true?
Bookie! Let's go!
Would you be careful what you wished for?
I wish I could go back in time.
You're a smart girl. I'm sure you'll find a way. Okay.
She clearly said bucket. Bucket!
B-U-K-K-Y. I'm a girl, and I'm definitely not a bucket.
I think she's delusional.
She's obviously not from around here.
Who? Me?
Yes, you.
Waiting to my voice.
Finally, someone else confirms it. You sound one kind.
Mind yourself.
You mind yourself.
I'm in a dream. Wake up.
Maybe the universe led you here for a purpose.
What's that on your chest?
A SIM card for a mobile phone.
What's a mobile phone?
I'm not sure where you came from, but we are a family here.
Mobsters, run the rhythm now.
We are the mobsters, cleaning up is what we do. Now you're rolling the rocksters, don't get it misunderstood. Anyway,
Who is that?
The school bully.
I love his sneakers. Let's steal them.
Want to teach that robot small lesson.
Okay, so I mean there are a couple of more videos, but it's kind of just repetition of probably the same clips. And so now I'll give like my thought process, my what I think about this. I think the best way to go about this is kind of like a rating system from 0 to 10, and based off this thriller, I mean, I don't know, it's kind of like thrillers tend to contain like the best part of the movies, or at least trying to give like a brief introduction to the movie. So I'll probably give this a 3 out of 10, or probably a 4, for at least taking a step to the extra 1 point is just kind of like it's a big step from like an industry that favors more live action to getting into 3D animation. So that's the extra one, at least completing the project, because this is quite it's not really high up to my standard, or something I'll consider acceptable even for an industry starting out. So like we can just check it out, and there are some things very obvious immediately once you look at this. Is the poor resolution of the entire shot. Um, we can see like the inconsistency of the design. Um, like so many things you can see, it just looks so amateurish, and I can just I mean I don't want to come out like I am like just being a hater or not really appreciating the progress. I mean there's progress and there is just this. I feel like they should have done a better job with the $1 million budget. Like I feel they are approaching it on more of like a let's do this to prove like we can make progress. But I think the better way to go about this is actually tackle it like a business. You don't employ people that don't not really know how to do the job or get the job done. You get real professionals that can be able to get something very feasible or very that looks quite good in the eyes or very appealing, because like this for animated animation industry starting out, this is not very innovative. This is just pretty generic and just very like it's very I don't know, I don't want to say disappointing because I'm quite excited about the future possibility based on this. Of course you cannot start building the pyramid just by just getting it and placing it. You have to gather bricks and gather stuff. So I know that there are just steps, but I feel that they need to be more innovative. This is not it. I wish that I know the future will be great because like more artists are going to many more talented artists are going to be more available. I know we already have talented artists as Nigerians, but we need more. Like this is not it. And yeah, so that's like my honest opinion about this. Like it's just so there are a lot of things lacking. The textures, it's so amateurish. Um, the animation, it's not very fluid. I mean, they do some good job. There are some good there are some good points that we give into this, but um, like I said, just 4 out of 10, and that's extra one just because of starting a project from beginning and finishing it. But yeah, so that's my opinion. I mean, I don't want to come out like a hater. That's not my intention. It's just kind of sharing a bit of my frustration with you guys. But let me know in the comment what you think about this. If you felt I was a bit harsh to this particular thriller, let me know if you think I was right or if you think I missed something, or if you have any input, please let me know in the comments. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are safe, so stay safe and see you in the next video.